Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to 10 Bagger Stocks, the channel that is dedicated to finding potential stocks that can help you 10x your money. Let's beat the street together. Today I'm going to be discussing two airline stocks that I might be a buyer of in today's market. The CV crisis has brought air travel to a standstill and companies are definitely going to feel a squeeze. Employees are being temporarily laid off, and obviously future earnings will be greatly affected or even completely halted for these stocks. But ultimately, I have faith that people are not going to stop flying in the future. With that being said, the airline industry is extremely competitive with thin margins, so it's extremely important to be prudent when researching airline stocks. Many airlines are poorly run with short-sighted vision, leading them to have terrible balance sheets with massive debt being run up recently, buying back shares to drive stock prices higher. I do believe, though, that there are a few diamonds in the rough of this industry, and as such, I am in the clearance section of the stock market, bargain hunting for good deals for the future. I'm going to discuss the balance sheet, growth profile, and if the stock has a potential for a strong recovery. I do hold a position on one of these stocks, and I will discuss my position later in the video. Okay, so let's jump in. The first airline I'm going to talk about today is Alaska Airlines, ticker ALK. Alaska Airlines has proven to be one of the fastest growing airlines in America during the past 10 years. ALK operates a wide variety of domestic and international flights, with the primary hub of the airline being located in Seattle. Impressively, the company has earned the highest customer satisfaction of any major airline in the United States. Alaska Airlines has a decent balance sheet compared to other airlines out there. ALK has a nice cash cushion with $1.5 billion in cash and cash equivalents to try and weather the CV storm, and less long-term debt than other airlines. As with most businesses in the travel industry, they are taking a massive hit with the recent crisis and are, as of a week ago, asking staff to take voluntary layoffs. Before the crisis, ALK was doing very well, pulling in an operating income of $769 million off of $8.8 billion in revenue. ALK returned some of this income back to the shareholders as a dividend and makes sizable investments into the growth of the company, showing success in this area, growing the company's revenue by over 30% in 2017 and 6% in 2019. The crisis has ALK's share price hurting, but with the prospect of government support combined with the strength of their balance sheet, they should be able to comfortably see the other side of this and continue to be a great company for both shareholders and customers in the future. I currently do not hold shares of ALK, but will be looking to possibly average in the coming weeks. If you want to follow my investments, be sure to follow my Twitter at 10xbaggers to get real-time updates. Okay, so the next airline stock I want to discuss is from a far, far away land. No, it's not Vanuatu. It's Canada. Yes, it's Air Canada. The stock trades on the TSX, and the ticker for American investors is ACDVF. And for Canadians, it's AC.TO. The airline is the biggest operator in Canada and has a similar market cap to ALK, with both stocks currently being capitalized at around $3 billion. Air Canada does better in the income department, pulling in $1.6 billion in net income in 2019, growing their available cash and cash equivalents up to $6.05 billion in 2019. This is a massive cash cushion and should allow Air Canada to safely see the crisis through. This available cash has made Air Canada appear, to me at least, to be a less risky investment going forward, and as such, I have invested around 4% of my portfolio into the stock. The stock should show steady growth in the next 2 years and at least be able to return to their previous share price. They are in a good position to weather the CV storm and control a strong amount of the Canadian market share for once travel becomes a part of everyday life again. So in all, Air Canada is probably the safer investment. However, Alaska Airlines might still have more room to grow in the future. Only time will tell about that, but in this video I have shared my thoughts and my position. Let me know what you guys think. Alright, so that's my video, guys, and thanks for watching. If you like the video and want to learn about investing with me, please subscribe, like the video, and comment down below what stocks you are researching right now. Happy bagging, folks!